All right, boys and girls, we're going to practice writing our letter S for today. We're going to practice writing the uppercase S. Uppercase S and lowercase s are very, very tricky, so we're going to try to practice them a little bit slowly today because I know that we had trouble when we were working on our letter S. And remember, the picture that helps us remember what S says is a snake. S, snake, S. All right, let's practice writing that letter. So uppercase letter S is going to start at the skyline. Every time we write uppercase letters, boys and girls, they start at the skyline. We're going to start at the skyline just like C. We're going to go backwards on the skyline, around to the plane line, around to the grass line. S, snake, S, snake, S. Now I'm going to write that letter S a little bit slowly so that you can see each part of how that letter S curves. It's a curved line letter. Moms and dads, the children usually have trouble writing curved line letters and diagonal letters, so we use a technique called hand over hand, which means as they're writing the letter, I put my hand over their hand to guide them into making that curved letter so they can get the motion of how it feels to curve around. So if you need to do that with them, that is perfectly okay. All right, so we're going to start at the skyline just like C, which means we need to give it some space. We're going to go backwards on the skyline, around to the grass line. I'm going to stop right here so you can see that it kind of looks like a letter C. Okay, so we're going to go backwards on the skyline, around to the plane line, and then we're going to curve back to the grass line. So it looks like now our C is going the other way. Okay, if you could picture two C's. Let's try that again. We're going to start at the skyline and give it some space. If we start our letter S too close over here, we're going to run into our other letter. Okay, so when we're writing S, we have to give it some space. We're going to start at the skyline and give it some space. Go backwards on the skyline, around to the plane line, around to the grass line. S, snake, okay, that's really tricky. I know our hands have some trouble to do those curved lines, so let's try one more time, and we'll do that slowly. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna start at the skyline just like C. Go backwards on the skyline, around to the plane line, around to the grass line. Start at the skyline just like C. Go backwards on the skyline, around to the plane line, around to the grass line. S, snake, S. All right, thank you for practicing letter S today. I want you to stop and think. Think of some words that begin with the letter S. In our class, we had 3 friends with the letter S. We had my friend Scarlett, and my friend Saya, and my friend Santiago. Their names all begin with the letter S. Are you ready? Here are some pictures of some words that begin with the letter S. Here are some stairs. Everybody stretch it out. Stairs. Here is a stamp. Let's stretch it out. Stamp. Here is a stick. Let's stretch it out. Stick. Here is a stool. Ready? Let's stretch it out. Stool. Do you hear little girl barking? She's crazy sometimes. And here is a stove. Ready? Let's stretch it out. Stove. Good job. Thank you for practicing with me today with your uppercase letter S. I will see you in a little while for a read aloud. Bye.